Electromotion e-Vidyut Private Limited company. We are introducing our Electromotion EV training series. We are introducing simulator with chassis in this series. Total setup of two-wheeler bike. This is the main bike, two-wheeler bike, and this is the information board where we can read the all voltage, current, and RPM and other things. This is the block diagram for whatever the circuit built in this two-wheeler. Now we are going to introduce the block by block information for this bike. Now this is the battery of two-wheeler. It is of 60 volts, 30 ampere. Now this provides the power supply to hold the bike with motor, and from that we are converted 12 volt to give the auxiliary 12 volt for each and every functions. That means indicators, lights, and other information board which is present in this. Now this is our first block. This is the main power supply, battery source. Now this is the power distribution circuit where the 60 volt is come here. This DC-DC converter converts it into 12 volts, and these 12 volts is going to the all other circuitry which operates on these relays and other controller. Now this is main motor controller which is working on 60 volt, which provides the direction and other information to the motor, and it drives the motor to move the vehicle from one place to another. Now this is our information board where all information is here. This is the battery percentage. This is our kilometer section. It is our temperature of battery and the current voltage of battery. Now all this basic information is reflected on this board. Now this is main supply, DC-DC converter, main supply of battery, which is 63 volts to provide the power to the motor. Now this is measured from this section. This is 60 volt plus and ground. Now after that we can measure this same 12 volt also here with these pins. Now this is the 12 volt which is provided to the auxiliary part of the bike. Now after that we can measure the current of the battery when the load is going, when we are giving throttle, and now it is showing the current. Now at the same time we can measure the single phase voltage of the three-phase battery, three-phase motor. After that, this is a RPM meter which measures the RPM of the wheel. This changes accordingly. Now after that we are introduced the charger circuit on the same board. When battery get discharged, we can connect the charger here, and all charging voltage and the current is shown in this meter. This is the on-off switch for charging point. Now this is all over the mic.